that audio was just to grab your attention. I'm Sandhya Bankapure of BBA second semester.
Hi, I'm Rishi Kumarja of BBA second semester.
And I am Sakshi Savan from BBA second semester.
In this video, we are going to explain about how we can easily register and take appointment for the COVID vaccination.
The Government of India has permitted to all the people above the age of 18 years to get the vaccination from 1st May.
You can register for the vaccination online from your mobile phone itself. You just need to follow the steps.
Okay, so first step of registration is open the browser from your mobile like Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, any one of this, and type www.covin.gov.in.
After you click on sign in yourself, you will get this screen, and then you need to enter your mobile number and click on the get OTP.
Once you click on get OTP, you will get 6-digit of code as SMS and enter that code and verify.
Now after when you click on the verify, one of the below pages appears. If your mobile number is linked with Aadhaar card, then your name, Aadhaar card number, date of birth and etc. appears. And if your mobile number is not linked with mobile, then don't worry, there is another way. Now if your mobile number is linked with Aadhaar card, then follow these steps.
See your name, Aadhaar card number, etc. on the right side of your screen. Then you will find an option of schedule. Then later you need to click on schedule now. After that you need to enter your village, town or city pin code. For example, the Nipani's pin code is 591237.
Then the next screen appears that with different vaccine centers and which will show date and number of slots which are available.
Download the confirmation page and carry your photo ID and confirmation page in your mobile to designation vaccination center to get vaccinated.
Now, if your mobile number is not linked with your Aadhaar card, then after entering your mobile number and after entering the OTP, you will see this page. In the first page, you need to select the type of the photo ID. For example, passport, Aadhaar card or PAN card, etc. Then you need to enter the photo ID number. Just like suppose if you have selected PAN card, then you need to enter your PAN card number and the name mentioned as in your PAN card. Then later you need to select the gender and your birth year and then click on the register.
After you click on register, your detail appears. Then the process is same as before. That click is on the schedule number, enter the pin code, select the center, then download the confirmation page, and then visit the vaccination center with your photo ID and confirmation page, and SMS on the designated time and date.
Finally, remember guys, even after vaccination you have to wear a mask and maintain social distance. Thank you.
If you find this video informative and interesting, then share it with your school friends, mates, family and groups. To everyone, let's all together fight against Corona.
Stay home, stay safe.